Hello everyone, I am going to teach you how to make an electronic signature without background and enhance your signature. First go to ChatGPT and upload the picture of your signature. Then, type retain the signature and remove background, a PNG format in the prompt. Sometimes the ChatGPT generate not fully colored black signature. So, we will proceed to Microsoft PowerPoint and change the color of the signature into full black. Save the picture from the ChatGPT and transfer to PowerPoint presentation. We will change the background design of the PowerPoint to differentiate if we will have colored background of certificate, for example. As you can see, the color of the signature is not perfectly black. To make it full black, double-click the signature and go to color, then click black and white 75% to make it black. Now you see the difference. Now, right-click the picture and save it. Now let's see the difference between edited in the PowerPoint and not in terms of color. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.